In aviation maintenance, where a single grounded aircraft can cost $10,000 to $150,000 per hour, visibly smarter operations demand visibly smarter solutions. Meet TruVideo AOG, the world's most powerful video intelligence engine. It's how you turn video from a communication tool into a dependable source of actionable operational intelligence. We're talking faster diagnostics with guided video capture and remote consultation, accelerated maintenance throughput with optimized workflows and shared visibility, and enterprise-grade media management with role-based access controls and chain of custody metadata. It's all about making faster, clearer decisions based on data you can see, verify, and validate. Ready to see how TruVideo AOG can get your aircraft back in the air faster? Schedule a demo today and see how we're delivering visibly smarter solutions.